How to fix laptop randomly shuts down on Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If your laptop is randomly shutting down on Windows 11, here's how to fix it. First, click the search bar and type Advanced System Settings. Open it and under Startup and Recovery, click Settings. Uncheck the box for automatically restart and press OK. Now return to the search bar and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel, then either navigate manually to the Power options or type it directly in the search bar. Once inside Power options, click on Choose what the power buttons do. In this section, look for Turn on Fast Startup and try disabling it. Next, go back and click on Change Plan Settings beside your current power plan. Then choose Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open. Expand the hard disk section and set the turn off hard disk after setting to a longer time for both on battery and plugged in. Then go to PCI Express. Then expand link state power management and change both on battery and plugged in from maximum power savings to off. If these steps don't work, the issue could be caused by corrupted Windows files or a bad installation. You can try updating Windows or perform a full system reset. To reset, go to Settings, System Recovery and choose the Reset option. Make sure to back up your data before doing this. Additionally, you can run a system file check. To do this, type CMD in the search bar, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type SFC scan now and press Enter. This will run a system scan and attempt to fix any corrupted files. The scan may take a few minutes to complete. Once done, restart your computer and check if the shutdown issue is resolved. These solutions often fix unexpected shutdown problems caused by power misconfigurations or corrupted system files. However, if the problem continues, it may be a hardware issue such as overheating or a failing battery, in which case it's best to consult a technician. That's it for today's guide. So that's basically how you can fix laptop randomly shuts down on Windows 11. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.